Hey everyone, welcome to English with Jibril. My name is Jibril Toure. I'm from Mali, West Africa. In today's video, I want to let you know things I did during 3 years I have been learning English online with oneself. So I started in June 2020, June 18, 2020, Corona time, and I was focusing on listening and speaking because many English learners, many students around the world have this problem to speak English fluently and confidently. A lot of people say, sorry for my English is bad, my English is not good, things like that. At the beginning, I was saying the same thing when I have the conversation with other people online around the world through some application and website. But nowadays, I joined some English platform and I practice my English with a lot of people and so on. I want to let you know 3 steps. Step 1 is from June 18, 2020 to June 18, 2021, the first year, the second year, and the last year. First, as I say, I was focusing on listening and speaking. I start with English Today, English for You. If you go on YouTube, you can find all these things, and English Class 101.com with teacher Alicia. I was listening to the conversation, to the English lesson, grammar, dialogue, etc. from beginning level and to intermediate, advanced level, things like that. And on August from 17 to 23, August 17th to 23rd, I participate in the event named Go Natural English Event Connection Not Perfection with teacher Gabby Wallace, and that was to train practicing because we have the possibility or opportunity to speak with a lot of students around the world, and some English lesson, some pronunciation training, and some also guests to explain some things we can practice in English. After that, I use some application, for example Duolingo. We have also Cake, we have English Conversation, and Speak English to practice my English, to practice my speaking, listening, pronunciation, etc. And I joined some Facebook group to interact with other people, some WhatsApp group, Skype, Zoom, and Free for Talk or Instagram. All these to improve my speaking, to practice my English with others, and to improve my listening skills. I've been also listening to Speak English with Tiffany podcast. Listening to podcasts also help us to improve our listening skills. In the first year I did those things, it was difficult for me to understand what other people say, like some student or English speaker from India, the pronunciation or the accent was difficult for me to understand that. And some native English speaker or some advanced English speaker speak fast. At the beginning, it was difficult for me to understand those that. Or when I watch a movie, it was also difficult to understand the message or the things happening in the movie because they speak so fast. Native English speakers speak so fast. That was the beginning, but now it's not the same thing. Now I can understand a lot of things. In second year, from June 18, 2021 to June 18, 2022, I had the opportunity to practice my English with a lot of people online around the world. And those practice, I have some people from Iran, from Azerbaijan, Brazil, Egypt, India, from some European country, even China, Japan, some African countries also, almost a lot of country to continue practicing my English. I had some people, we practice our English with have the topic subjects 3 times or 2 times a week. That helped me to improve my speaking skills. And another point is also important is to read for fun. Read books, magazines, articles, find something online, you like it, you want it, you want to continue to read, and read it. Teacher Joe Crossman suggest to read for fun. Teacher Joe Crossman teach the foreign student at the university in Canada named St. Mary's University in Halifax. Suggest to read for fun. Another thing also to write a paragraph every single day in 30 days, etc., to improve our writing skills, to record ourselves audio or video 5 minutes every single day in 30 minutes. Those things help me to improve my speaking skills, because after recording yourself in 30 days, if you watch your first recording, etc., you're gonna see the improvement. You're gonna see a lot of things. You're gonna see your mistake, those things you can correct them, etc. You're gonna see that you make a difference. You do make a difference. Grammar, pronunciation, imitation technique, and shadowing were also things I focus to improve my English. Just someone what you learn. Teacher Joe Crossman taught me that, and teacher Tiffany, Speak English with Tiffany, also suggest to teach someone what you learn, to master and to understand better things you learn. After that, I follow, I think it was July, from July 2020, I follow a lot of English teachers. At the beginning, I was looking for everything. I listen to a lot of things. I watch a lot of video. I use a lot of application, because at the beginning, like a general, we don't know how to focus. We try to learn everything at the same time. That is difficult. So I follow teacher Joe Crossman on YouTube, Instagram, teacher Misam from Iran, teacher Gabi Wallace, USA, Go Natural English, teacher Alicia, EnglishClass101.com from US also, teacher Tiffany, Speak English with Tiffany from US, Maryland, Russian English, Linga Marina, teacher Emma, English. We have Speak English. The last one, like from June 2022 to June 2023, I have some formation, some English courses, online courses on alison.com. I have 2 diploma in English and almost 30 certification, and some certification in public speaking, affiliate marketing, TikTok marketing, real estate agent, etc. After that, it was a specific focus on teacher Joe Crossman and teacher Tiffany, because teacher Joe Crossman give the feedback. He makes post videos on YouTube and some things on Instagram. He get a feedback, and he helped me more to improve my English, to learn a lot of things I never learned at school. And the last one, or before that, it was the collaboration with teacher Tiffany. Now I'm an ambassador. I represent Speak English with Tiffany online, and I'm also join an English platform here in Mali. Every Sunday we practice our English together by discussing about some topics, discussion, debate, interpreting, and a lot of things we do together. I have a lot on the plate, like a foot in the door, because having teacher Tiffany at phone is like a foot in the door, an opportunity that we don't have anywhere, or participate in the platform of English speaker, and it's like also a foot in the door. I also follow Steve Harvey, Steve TV show Family Feud, and the Steve Harvey show and the official Steve Harvey, also to improve my listening skills and my speaking skills. So a long adventure, but I did it. Learning English is depend on the learner, the person who wanna do it. If you keep consistent, if you keep being consistent, learn something every single day, even 5 minutes, because some people say that's not possible. It's possible. It's like make it habit. Do something every single day, immerse and continue to do it. Surround yourself environment with English material, English stuff like podcasts, videos, or read for fun, think in English, etc. Start name things you see around you in English, say things like that. You're gonna improve your English, and try to have someone, English speaking partner, practice your English with person. It's gonna help you much better to improve your speaking. Don't focus only on grammar or written stuff. We did it at school. Focus on the listening materials and speaking, pronunciation, shadowing, etc. You're gonna improve your